Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. If you have seen my last couple videos, I've been doing a lot of DIY stuff lately. And I showed you a little bit of behind the scenes on where some of my ingredients come from, you know, how I process it, what I do, all of that kind of stuff. Well, today I want to use one of the DIY products that I made. Actually, I'm going to be using two. One of them I made a video about, the other one I didn't. My face have really just been like acting up big time. So I am trying to do a couple things, trying to drink more water throughout the day. So not like a whole bunch of water in the morning and none the whole rest of the day, and then one glass, you know, in the evening. Trying to drink, you know, water periodically throughout the day, every day. I am getting back on my supplements, so I take a multivitamin. In addition, I am taking MSM and vitamin C, and I'm also taking collagen. In the video that should go up before this one, I recently made a aloe vera and lemon face mask. Some of it is right here. The first thing that I'm gonna do is use this micellar water. This is by Urban Hydration, and this is the peach and papaya micellar water. I just take a cotton ball and just rub my face. My mirror is over here, so if you see me looking over there, beside looking in the camera, that's what I'm doing. So this is what I do initially, just to kind of get, you know, some of that surface oil, dust, dirt, you know, whatever is on my face. And don't forget your neck. They're having a lot of stuff on the neck ball. Right, and don't forget the back of the neck. And unless you're on your last cotton ball, it's all right to use more than one. I'm gonna get another one. Get all around my nose. Be careful around your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. If you're sensitive to micellar water or any of the different ingredients in the product, you know, please read your ingredients labels before you use anything. Alright, so that's done. I wipe my face down with the micellar water with the cotton balls, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face. And usually when I do my DIY face mask or my clay mask or whatever, usually what I wash my face with before is African black soap. I have the raw blocks of soap. I showed that in my Rolly Bins stash video, so check that out if you haven't seen it. But I also have this liquid African black soap, and this is by Pure Grace Skincare. I believe this is a company in Canada, and this is just African black soap with vanilla. And as you can see, this is a 4-ounce bottle, and I have, I don't know, maybe about 1.5 ounces left. I really like this. And when I don't use this, I just use my the raw African black soap. So how I use this is I just wet my face. I pump, like maybe just one pump in my hand. I wash my face, I rinse it off, and then I'm ready for the next step. So let me go ahead and wash my face, and then I'll be back. It's alright, this is just the proof that I'm really washing my face. This soap smells so good. Like I said, it has vanilla in it, and you just need like a little bit. And this is actually too much, but y'all know me, I'm always using too much of something. So wash my face real good. And if you notice, I'm not using my face brush cleanser. I just want to be really gentle. You don't always have to scrub and exfoliate. I would say yes, do that periodically, but you don't have to do that all the time. And now since I have soap in my eyes, I know that means it's time to rinse it out. So I have prepped my face with the micellar water, removing any kind of surface dirt. I did a moderate cleanse with the African black soap. And now it is time to apply the aloe vera and lemon mask. Now you can apply using different tools, different methods. You can always use your fingers. You can use cotton balls. You can use any kind of application brush if you have it. To get into any kind of like nooks and crannies or whatever, you can use Q-tips, especially if you want to, you know, make sure you get like special spots under the eyes, or if you have target areas that you're trying to reach, you know, you can use Q-tips. I have this thing about, you know, digging my hands back in something. I'm actually going to apply a few layers. So I'm going to apply the first layer. I'm going to let it dry most of the way. I'm going to apply a second layer. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to apply a third layer. And then I'll let it sit for about maybe about 15 minutes until it dries, and then I'll rinse it off. Whatever I have left over, because waste not, want not, I'm just gonna put it in my hair, and it'll be kind of like a moisturizer slash pre-poo. I'm supposed to be starting my next wash day today after this face mask, but yeah, let's focus on the face mask. All right, I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see. Here is the aloe and lemon face mask, and I'm gonna use cotton balls this time. Like I said, you can use whatever you want. My face is still a little bit damp. I decided to let my face air dry a little bit. Usually I would just pat dry with a towel. I don't want to wipe or scrub my face, but I'm just kind of letting a little bit of the water, you know, stay. This concentration of aloe vera to lemon is 4 to 1. So 4 parts aloe vera to 1 part lemon juice. If you are sensitive to lemon or citrus or anything like that, you know, you can further dilute it, 6 to 1, 8 to 1. You can add water. If you are sensitive to aloe vera, then don't use this mask at all. I just have to emphasize, please do your own research and do what's best for you and your skin. Now let's apply the aloe vera gel. And I'm just gonna dip this in and like literally just start applying. This was in a refrigerator too, so it is very cool and refreshing to my face. And I'm gonna just rub around until, and I have a lot of this, so there's no need to be stingy with it. I'm gonna do, like I said, 3 layers all over my face and my neck. Once I use all what's on this cotton ball, I'm gonna get a new cotton ball. Here's the second ball, and just, you know, dip it in there. Get a good amount. Now, when I get close around to my eyes, you know, I can come back around, like I said, with a Q-tip. Let's say if I had like specific, like active breakouts or whatever, and I wanted to make sure that I really, you know, got those spots, I can come in with a Q-tip on that. All right, so this is the first application, and I got my ring light down below me, so hopefully it's helping to kind of show you what I got going on. Coming back to put on the last layer. Aloe vera is pretty easy. It rinses out pretty easily from my hair. I'm not gonna worry about straining it. See? This is why I cannot record. I just can't. Every video just gonna be a voiceover. I quit. So I wanna just get a little bit closer to see, so you can see some like aloe vera bits, you know, on my face, which is totally fine because, you know, I'm getting ready to rinse them off. See, this whole area right here is where I have the worst breakouts and just the worst, you know, just discoloration, pigmentation, and all of that. Somebody told me that it might be like hormonal acne or hormones, but I went to a doctor. I had all of my hormone levels and everything checked out, and everything is normal. So as far as what the doctors are saying, like, that's not it. This, I don't have any particular medical conditions. So that does not appear to be it, but I gotta find some kind of way to, get my skin back on track. So what I want to do right now is go ahead and rinse this off, and then I'll be back with that last DIY product that I was telling you about earlier. My face feels so clean, and it feels like baby soft. It already feels moisturized, but I'm gonna go in with this last DIY product that I made, and here it is. Don't let the bottle itself fool you. So this is a face oil. It could be for the body too, but I've been using it on my face. It does include tamanu oil, but that's not the only thing. So tamanu oil is good for scars. I don't remember exactly everything I put in this bottle, but I do have a picture of it. So I will post that up here so you can see what it was that I put into it. Lots of good oils, essential oils. And this is something that I use mostly at night before I'm going to sleep. So I leave it on overnight, or, in the evening time, I'll put it on and then like rinse it off before I go to sleep. It depends, but I want to try to apply this at least twice a day, maybe in the morning, like before I go to work, and then in the evening, before I go to sleep. My face has air dried, and because I made this like very kind of potent, I'm gonna go ahead and splash just a little bit of water on my face and then apply just a few drops of the oil. And because y'all know how I am about, sticking my hand and stuff or whatever, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in the cap. All right. And if you see, stuff coming out, it's because of the ingredients that I have in here. Now I'm just gonna, just a little bit, and just kind of dab it on my face. Just pour it like onto my fingers and just get it on my face. And once I get it on my face, then spread it around. This smells very earthy, mainly due to the tamanu oil. But some of the other ingredients, some of the essential oils that I put in here, kind of help to just subdue that that scent, if that's not something that you like or prefer or used to. I'm used to tamanu oil. I actually like earthy things, or earthy smelling, earthy tasting things. I have the oil applied. This is how my face looks. It feels really good. I know it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna be like overnight. But the thing for me is being consistent. I have to keep up with this routine. I know what I have to do. I have all of the resources. I make the products. I start off good, and then the consistency falls off. And then so do the results. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.